Range is another aspect in statistics, and very often, almost every year, you're going to have a question that asks about range. So this question is about students that had tests in art and business, and they got the following marks. So here, in part C, in question 4, we are told to work out the range of the marks for business. So range. How do we calculate? It's pretty simple calculation. We take the highest value, and from that we take away the lowest value. So when it comes to business, the highest value that we have here is 69, and the lowest value that we have here is 52. And we put that in the calculator, we get that that is 17. And then part D have another aspect that for us to consider when it comes to the idea of the range. Michael is one of the 12 students. He sits the business test again and gets a higher mark than the first time he took the test. Now, we are not told how much he got the first time, so we don't know which of these marks are his. And then we are not told how much he got when he sat the test again. When the teacher uses Michael's new mark and works out the range of marks, the range does not change. So does not, very important. So they're saying, explain how this could happen. So again, it goes back to the fact, how do we calculate the range? The range, we take the highest and the lowest. So range will only change if either the highest value is different or the lowest value is different. If that new value is somewhere in between those two, well, therefore the range will remain the same. So that's the explanation we are giving here. How could that happen? Because if he got at least 52, that value will not change, the range will not change. Or even if he got 69, that value will not change. Now, taking into consideration that Michael did better, so obviously even in the first round he got 52, in the second round he must have gotten a higher mark. The only question would be here, if he got more than 69, if he was a student that got 69 and therefore now got a higher mark than 69, that would have changed the range. But anything above 52 and even equal or less to 69, the range will not change.